Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Are you ready with your math book, children? Yes, come on, let's start. All of you open page number 25 of your mathematics workbook, children. Write down date. Here we have the first Roman. Fill in the blanks. Here the first question is 100, 200, 300. Next comes 400. Next is 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900. Now let's move to the second question. The biggest 3-digit number is the biggest 3-digit number. Remember, the biggest numbers always they have 9 in their place. So 3-digit numbers. So 999. It is 999 is the biggest 3-digit number. Now the smallest 3-digit number is, remember that the smallest numbers they have 1 and zeros. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. It is 100. Now let's move to the second question. These are the pieces of a number chart. Fill in the missing numbers. The first one, here see the sequence of the numbers, children. 365, 366, 367. Here the box is empty. Now 3 is common in hundreds place. Write down 3. Here 7, 6. So before number is 5 and 6 is common in the ones place. So 356. Now let's move to the next one. Here 145, 156, 157. Next 167. So this line is of 40s, this line is of 50s and this line is of 60s. So it is 167. Now next one, 433. So next here 532, 533. So what is the before number of 532? It is 531. Now here see this 908. Next comes 909. Now let's move to the third question. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. The first question is 345. So 3 is in hundreds place. Write down 300 plus 40 plus 5. Next 728. 700 plus 20 plus 8. 800. So 800 plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. These are the expanded form of the given numbers, and these numbers are called as standard form of the numbers. Now let's move to the last question. Write the numbers for the given expanded forms. Here 400 plus 70 plus 5. So write down only the digits 4, 7 and 5. 475. So how you pronounce the same thing you have to write down. 920. 920. 920. Next is 609. 609. And the last one is 820 plus 7. 827. 827. All of you open page number 26, children, and write today's date. Here let's start with write the greatest and smallest number in each of the following. This is the first heading. Now here out of the given 5 numbers, you have to find out which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. Here 204, 151, 716, 372 and 473. Now all are 3-digit numbers. Now compare the hundreds place first. So here 7 is biggest. So 716 is the biggest number, and here 1 is the smallest. 151. 151 is the smallest number. Now out of these given numbers, compare now. It is 9. So 9 is the biggest number, 937 is the biggest number, followed by 1 is the smallest. So 172 is the smallest number. Now here 8 in hundreds place, 3, 4, 2 and 4. So 8 is biggest. So 834 is the biggest number and 282 is the smallest number. Here 6 in hundreds place, we have 6 in hundreds place except this 7. So 738 is the biggest number and smallest number, all are 6 here. So compare the tens place. Tens place here we have 0. So 609 is the smallest number. Now next, here all are 3 in hundreds place. So compare the tens place, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9. So we have 4 9s in tens place. So compare the ones place, it is 9 here, 399 is the biggest or the greatest number and followed by 383 is the smallest number. Now let's move to the second heading. Fill in the blanks with the correct sign. Use less than, greater than or equal to. Now here 405 and 411. Now here 4 is common in hundreds place. So compare the tens. It is 0 here and it is 1. So 0 is less than 1. 0 is less than 1. This pointed side should point to the smaller number. Now let's move the second one. 644 and 587. So 5 is smallest. So greater than sign, 644 is greater than 587. Now here 754 and 754, both are equal. So write down equal to sign. Now next, 298 and 307. Here 2 is small. So 298 is less than 307. Next, 826 and 816. 8 is common in hundreds place. So compare the tens place. Here it is 2 and here it is 1. So 1 is smaller than 2. 826 is greater than 816. Now the last one, here 928 and 799. So 7 is smaller than 9. So point towards the 7. 928 is greater than 799. Now let's move to the third question. Write an appropriate digit in the boxes. Here the first question, 873 is greater than, that means this number is greater. Here tens place is empty. So you have to write less than this number. Let me write 5. So 1 to 6, any number you can write, but not 7. So 853. Now here 205 is less than. So you can write any number greater than this in tens and ones. So 1, and from 1 to any number you can write up to 9, any digit. So I will write 7. So 317. It is not necessary that you have to write the same digits, children. You can write your own digits. 387 is equal to, so the numbers are equal. Write the same digits. 387 is equal to 387. 241 is greater than. So this number is greater than that. This should be less. 156. Next 805. 805 is less than. 805 is less than means more than 8 you have to write. So 900. So 200 is less than 208 or 765, any number you can write. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day, children.